Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It sounds like you should have pulled the salmon out of the oven after 20 minutes total cooking time, covered it, and let it rest. Just like other meats, it's important to pull salmon off the heat or out of the oven just before it's done, then cover and let it rest for about 10 minutes. 8 September 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cook fish about 10 minutes per inch, turning it halfway through the cooking time. For example, a 1-inch fish steak should be cooked 5 minutes on each side for a total of 10 minutes. Pieces less than 1/2 inch thick do not have to be turned over. 29 September 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
You don't need to rinse fish, chicken, pork, or any other meat before cooking. Not only does it not get rid of bacteria, it spreads bacteria if water splashes from the sink in the process of rinsing. 27 February 2006.
Let's help you make your mark.
No radiation needed here. The easiest way to see if your salmon has finished cooking is to gently press down on the top of the fillet with a fork or your finger. If the flesh of the salmon flakes, meaning it separates easily along the white lines that run across the fillet, strips of fish fat, it's finished cooking. 14 August 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Salmon skin is usually considered safe to eat. The skin contains more of the same minerals and nutrients contained in salmon, which may be an excellent addition to any diet. There are some things to consider when choosing whether to eat the salmon skin, such as the source and quality of the fish. 6 February 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.